Have you ever wondered how massive machines can complete exhausting tasks so quickly and efficiently? Join us as we explore the most innovative and incredible machinery found in factories around the world. From sophisticated production lines to high-tech equipment, you'll be amazed by their precision and ingenuity. Watch the entire video so you don't miss these incredibly satisfying moments. Ever wonder what happens to old motorcycles, rusty bed frames, or broken household appliances? They're not just thrown away. They're fed into one of the most powerful machines on the planet, the metal shredding beast. Watch as these discarded items are completely transformed into valuable raw materials. With spinning, razor-sharp blades, the machine tears through metal like paper, crushing, slicing, and grinding everything in its path. In just seconds, a once functional motorcycle is reduced to fragments, creating an incredible display of raw industrial power. Think planting trees is always hard work? Not anymore. Watch how technology is making farming easier and more efficient than ever. Ever wondered how those smooth, uniform plywood sheets are made? No sawing, no sanding, just a machine that peels entire logs into thin, flawless layers within seconds. This is advanced veneer peeling technology, turning a solid log into ultra-thin, perfectly smooth layers, ideal for high-quality plywood production. As the sharp rotary blade spins continuously, it maintains a consistent thickness, while the log rotates smoothly, creating a mesmerizing display of precision engineering. The thin wooden sheets gently roll out, ready for the next stage of processing. Have you ever wondered how perfectly shaped glass bottles are made? It's not just simple molding. It's a fascinating process where molten glass is blown and formed in just seconds. At extreme temperatures, glass is no longer solid but a flowing, liquid form. Each drop is precisely measured and cut before it undergoes a mesmerizing transformation. Was this process as fascinating as you expected? Stay tuned for more incredible industrial innovations. You think rusted metal is beyond saving? Think again. Watch how cutting-edge laser technology can bring old, corroded surfaces back to life in just seconds. No chemicals, no tedious sanding, just a precise laser beam that burns away the rust in an instant, revealing a clean, polished metal surface underneath. Laser cleaning technology doesn't just restore metal. It extends its lifespan, prevents further damage, and makes old materials reusable once again. Ever wondered how B40 steel mesh becomes so strong and uniform? Let's dive into the world of automated welding technology, where precision and power come together to create a flawless product. With a single command, the machine springs to life, using precisely controlled heat and electric welding to fuse each joint seamlessly. Every weld is not only strong, but also crafted with pinpoint accuracy. Thanks to automated welding technology, B40 steel mesh achieves superior quality, while significantly reducing production time and labor. The fusion of cutting-edge precision and industrial automation is setting a new standard in metal fabrication. Ever wondered how these gigantic paper rolls are sliced into perfectly uniform sheets? Let's explore the world of high-speed, razor-sharp cutting technology. No room for error. These razor-sharp blades glide through the thick paper layers effortlessly, slicing with incredible speed and precision, leaving no rough edges or tears. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, this machine not only works fast, but can also be adjusted to cut paper into any required size within seconds. Was this process as satisfying as you expected? Stay tuned for more incredible cutting-edge manufacturing technology. Ever wondered how metal is cut with absolute precision? No grinding, no heavy machinery, just pure laser power slicing through solid steel like butter. Using advanced laser technology, this machine generates extreme heat, melting through the metal with unparalleled precision. Every cut is clean, smooth, and incredibly precise. Unlike traditional cutting methods, laser cutting eliminates rough edges and ensures flawless execution, even on the toughest materials. With the ability to cut through thick metal sheets in mere seconds, this machine is a game changer in modern manufacturing, optimizing efficiency and reducing waste. How do you turn a simple steel bar into the heart of an engine? With cutting-edge automation, extreme heat, and unmatched precision. With temperatures soaring above 1,200 degrees Celsius, 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit, the metal softens, making it malleable enough for shaping. But this is just the beginning. Using tons of force, the automated press reshapes the heated steel, molding it into a perfect crankshaft, a critical component that powers an engine's motion. But strength alone isn't enough. To ensure maximum durability, the forged crankshaft undergoes a crucial hardening process. By exposing it to intense heat and then cooling it rapidly, this process enhances the metal's strength, making it resistant to extreme stress and wear. You've just witnessed some of the most brilliant machines and high-tech tools. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to join us for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.